So I'm doing some more testing on my conductive ink. This is my plate here that I've been working on. Made a new batch of conductive ink. This one's has a better active ingredient. It's a better graphite. So the only difference that you can see when you look at it is this one's all shiny. And just to give you an example, this is a little sample that I painted on here before, and this meter is set to 200 ohms, or like a 200 ohm max. And when I just touch these to it, we get a reading. So my first one, let me get sometimes I get a even lower reading than that on this one. Let's see what I'm doing. Yeah, down around 50 ohms. I'll let it settle down. Yeah, 51. That's my hand moving around a little. There we go, 50.5. So right around 50 ohms. And that was just stuff that I could find locally. And that's what I painted on here. Let me turn this over so you can see it. Now, I adapted this a little bit to make it more resistive, and it's standard right around 160 or so, because I want it to be a resistor, because I want it to generate heat when the electricity goes through it. Now, this is one of my new sheets that I just did tonight. As you can see, it's kind of shiny. And let's put that in so right in here. So this is far more conductive. Now the benefit of that is that the electricity moves through it faster. There's less resistance. So there's far less resistance in this. Now I wasn't real happy with the graininess that this had on it, so I did a little bit more with it. And hang on, just a second here. It's a one-handed thing here. It's interesting to get used to. So this is another one from tonight, and it's not fully dry yet, so this will probably go down just a little bit, but I think that there's a nice little spot right here that's dry enough that I can show you. Okay, so it's kind of variable in different places. It's probably over here. Yeah, so we're down here at around 32 ohms. So 32 ohms. I'm going to make a square so that I can measure a square, which is just a blade. Two blades separated that are the same length as they are separated apart, which makes a square, and you can measure the ohm resistance on a square. So that's just the update for right now. I'm down to about 32 ohms with the new conductive ink. And I'll give you guys some more updates on the application. I ordered some tape. I haven't got that in yet. I ordered some more things, and I got this bucket of graphite. This is what I was working with as my activating agent, and this is a 635. It's a natural flake, very small. I think they said it was like 150 mesh or something like that, which might be why I'm getting the sparkly grain. So I'll be working on that. But in applications where you want a true black, like paint, I'm going to have to use something else. But when I want the high conductivity, it doesn't really matter as much. Like if it's just a radiator and I'm going to put something in front of it anyway, it won't matter as much. So just an update. Thanks for watching.